Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best postpartum cooling pads is probably one of the most essential and often overlooked items for new mothers, providing much-needed relief and comfort during a time when your body is undergoing significant changes and healing, making those first few weeks post-delivery a little more bearable as you navigate the joys and challenges of motherhood with a touch of soothing coolness. Number 5. Frida Mom 8PC Postpartum Underwear. The journey after childbirth brings unique needs. Finding comfort and support during this time is essential for new moms. These are specifically crafted to meet your postpartum needs. They provide gentle support where it's needed most. Made from incredibly soft and breathable material, they ensure maximum comfort. You'll appreciate their gentle feel against your skin. This convenient 8-piece pack ensures you have enough on hand. They are disposable, making cleanup simple and stress-free. Experience the confidence that comes with reliable support. They help you navigate your recovery with ease and peace of mind. Don't compromise on comfort during your recovery. They are an indispensable part of your postpartum kit. What we like. These offer ultimate comfort and convenience. If you are looking for soft, breathable support without worrying about laundry, this is your go-to. They are perfect for immediate postpartum recovery when comfort is paramount. What people say. Number 4. Frida Mom Postpartum Pads. Introducing the ultimate comfort and protection for new mothers. These pads are designed specifically for your postpartum recovery needs, offering peace of mind during a crucial time. Say goodbye to worries about leaks. They offer reliable protection, keeping you feeling secure and confident throughout your day and night. Crafted as maxi pads, they provide the extra coverage and softness you deserve. You can trust them for gentle and effective feminine care during your recovery. Experience superior absorbency with their innovative 6-layer design. This advanced construction ensures maximum protection when you need it most. Engineered for maximum absorbency, they handle heavy flows with ease. You'll feel dry and comfortable, allowing you to focus on your recovery journey. What we like. Designed for maximum protection during heavy flow. If you need reliable, leak-proof coverage, these pads provide peace of mind. They are ideal for the initial postpartum days when absorbency is crucial. What people say. No positive review points found in the provided source. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 3. Frida Mom Perineal Medicated with Hazel Cooling Pad Liners. Introducing the essential solution for postpartum recovery. These innovative liners are designed to provide immediate comfort and support when you need it most. Infused with Medicated witch hazel, they offer soothing relief to the perineal area. This natural ingredient is known for its calming and healing properties. Experience an immediate cooling sensation upon application. This helps to alleviate discomfort and provide a refreshing feeling after childbirth. Beyond comfort, they actively work to speed up the healing process. These pads also effectively reduce swelling in the sensitive perineal area. Designed for full-length coverage, they ensure comprehensive relief where it's needed most. Simply place them in your pad for discreet and effective care. Each pack contains 24 liners, providing ample supply for your recovery journey. They are an indispensable part of your postpartum toolkit. What we like. Experience instant soothing relief and promote healing. If you are experiencing perineal discomfort and swelling, these liners are a lifesaver. They are perfect for targeted relief and faster recovery. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as requested. Number 2. Frida Mom Witch Hazel Healing Foam. After childbirth, discomfort can be overwhelming. This innovative foam is designed to bring you soothing relief when you need it most. Formulated with natural witch hazel, it provides gentle care. This ingredient is known for its calming properties, helping you feel better. Experience an immediate cooling sensation upon application. It works quickly to alleviate pain and discomfort in sensitive areas. Specifically designed for postpartum perineal healing and hemorrhoid treatment. It addresses common issues with targeted effectiveness. Its foam consistency makes it easy to apply and absorb. Just a gentle pump delivers the comfort you deserve. Each bottle contains a generous 5 fluid ounces, ensuring you have ample supply for your recovery journey. It's a thoughtful addition to your postpartum kit. What we like. This offers a unique, mess-free application for targeted relief. If you prefer a non-liner option for cooling and pain management, this foam is incredibly effective. It's excellent for soothing discomfort and treating hemorrhoids directly. What people say. Number 1. Frida Mom 15PC Labor and Postpartum Kit. Preparing for the journey of motherhood can be overwhelming. This thoughtful kit is designed to support new moms through labor and postpartum recovery. It includes 15 essential pieces, carefully selected to provide comfort and care. From immediate recovery to everyday needs, it has you covered. You'll find a peri bottle, ice maxi pads, and perineal foam for soothing relief. These items are crucial for postpartum healing and comfort. Also included are a soft nursing gown, disposable underwear, and cozy socks. They ensure you stay comfortable and prepared during this special time. Pad liners and a convenient toiletry bag complete the set. This ensures all your essentials are organized and easily accessible when you need them most. It makes an ideal gift set for baby showers or for any mom-to-be. Show her you care with this comprehensive and practical collection. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for labor and postpartum. If you want a convenient, all-in-one solution or a thoughtful gift for a new mom, this set covers all bases. It's perfect for ensuring you're fully prepared for recovery. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.